Hey guys, just checking that I am on and I am live. Yeah, I think I'm live. So I'm just jumping on, just very quick, impromptu, to talk about the new book and to say thank you so much to those of you that bought it. It means so much. Thank you so much for your support. So the new book, it's my first ever book, was launched. I think it was 2 days ago now, not yesterday, the day before. And in the first 24 hours, it was the fastest ranking book on Amazon. Woo! And it jumped to number two in the bestseller ranking for the category that I'm in as well. So that was really good on the first 24 hours, which was awesome. So what I thought I would do, I'm just jumping on to say thank you. And also just to give you a little bit of a list of what's actually inside the book for those of you that have it. So you know what you're getting, you know what's coming. And those of you that don't, then maybe you will like the sound of it when I tell you what's inside it. So the book is based around, it's called The Big Business Breakthrough for Ambitious Salon Owners. And the book is based around four key principles that I believe is what is needed if you want to build a really successful salon, but particularly one that runs without you. So you can go on holiday, and a holiday means a holiday. You can go sipping pina colada on the beach and not worrying about, is the phone going to go, and checking every 2 seconds to see that the salon is running without you. It's suitable for independent business owners as well. So for example, if you are self-employed, it's suitable for you too. I have a lot of people buying it for their teams as well. It's got in there, for example, how to grow your column by 60%, how to increase your, the usual things, the three ways to grow your business, how to increase your, I forgot to put those off. How to increase your average bill, how to increase your bookings, how to get more clients. The usual 3 ways to grow your business. It's got all that inside. Salon retail sales, all that kind of stuff. But the 4 key principles that I go deep into. The first one is mindset. I believe that is the absolute foundation of building a successful business, because we underestimate the power of what goes on in here. And I've been teaching this for 10 years. And time again, those of the students that I work with who really kind of get into this mindset and realize that that makes a huge difference to how successful you are, dealing with blocks. Like if you ever have something that just keeps coming up time and time again, like it might be that you can't find the right staff, or you hire the wrong staff, or you just seem to have a block around money, or just when you think you're getting somewhere, you're back to square one. And this repeated behavior over and over again. And a lot of it is to do with your subconscious programming in your mind. So there's a lot about mindset in there. I give an example of 2 salon owners with different mindsets and their little journey. Inside as well, I have case studies of successful salon owners that I've worked with. So from struggle to success, how they used to think, how they think now, the stuff that they've overcome, etc. So I have case studies in there, and I have my own story, of course, of how I was nearly closing my salon doors and how I turned it around. And it doesn't matter what size of salon you are. That's not what the book is about. This book is suitable for any size of business, whether you just want to be, self-employed, freelancer that is doing really well, want more clients, etc., or whether you already have a chain of salons that you want to make sure that you're leveraging it more, because we're always learning. There's always something that you can learn. We can all learn from each other. So I would guarantee that there's something in this book that you can learn from, no matter what level that you're at. So mindset plays a big part of it. Then the next thing is, once you've got your foundation in place, this is the mindset is the foundation. The next step is marketing. Right, I've got the foundation right, in the business and in myself, and now I'm ready for the marketing, which is the client attraction. Okay, so the marketing we cover as well, and another key part to growing the business. Those that know how to market the best marketers win. And not necessarily the best hairdressers or best beauticians or best nail technicians. the best marketers. Okay, learning about marketing is key, and leveraging your marketing. So many salon owners that and myself in the past, they will try something, it doesn't work, and then they give up. So I cover that a lot. I talk a lot about that as well. How to find your ideal clients. I hear so many people talk about they want to charge more and they want premium clients, but they are pricing so low that they're not attracting the right kind of customers, or they're putting their adverts in front of it. It'd be like selling hair extensions to bald men. You have to know where your client avatars hang out. So that is the marketing side of it as well. So we cover a lot about that and Facebook marketing. Management, we cover management as well. Carla, our Salon Jedi coach and my salon manager as well, at the director at the salon. She has a chapter in it as well, covering sales, salon sales. We talk about retail sales. We talk about order bumps, like increasing your average bill, packages, memberships, all kinds of stuff. That's quite a packed area in the book, the management side of it and the sales side of it, but also recruiting, making sure that you recruit, if you are recruiting, how to recruit the right kind of person. So you're not repeating that, you're trying to build this empire, but you're hiring people who are not aligned with your values. So recruitment is so, 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 so important. Then we have maintenance. So systems. So once you've got your foundation in place, which is you, and then you've got your marketing in place, which is the client attraction, then you get so busy that you need the management in place so you don't drop the ball. You need, the client journey, you need the management, you need that management behind you. We can't be everything: the bookkeeper, the manager, the front of house, the person, the technician, we try and do everything ourselves. So I cover a lot about that as well. And once you've got all those things in place and it's managed, etc., then it's about maintaining it. Okay, so we've got mindset, marketing, management, and now it's maintenance is the fourth part, and it is maintaining this. Because what happens to some salons as well is they get so busy and they have a boom and then implodes because they're dropping the ball everywhere because it's not maintained and they don't have strong systems in place. So it means that when they step out of the business and move away, whatever else, if they're following other dreams and desires, whatever it is that they're doing, then if things are not really strong in place at the salon and maintained, before they know it, they come back into the salon. They're like, oh, why is that not in place anymore? Oh, we used to do that. Why do we not do that anymore? Or, I tried that once. It did kind of work. Why am I not doing that anymore? So systemizing is key. That helps free you from the tools as well. So working on your business, not in it, we cover that as well. But freeing yourself from the salon, from the tools. I know a lot of people don't want to completely get out of the salon. You still want to do customers, but you want to reduce it. You want to have, maybe you want a bit of a better lifestyle where you've got more time to do what you want to do. You might have another hobby. You might want to be doing more stage work, shows, coaching, whatever it is. You might have other stuff that you want to pursue. And if you want to do that, you want to make sure that you moving out of it doesn't affect the business, that the business runs as well without you than it does if you were there. And the other thing as well is it then puts you in a position when you start putting in things like automation and systems, it gives you predictable income. And it also, because it is not operator reliant, as in the owner isn't the operator, they're the owner, it actually adds value to your salon business as well if you were to then sell it. So if you've, part of the exit strategy, if you're at that stage or in the future, if that's what you want, is building a salon business that's systemized, it's maintained, it has predictable income, and it does not rely on you. You have a high-performing team in there. We have an award-winning team. We have a record-breaking team, the results that they get. We teach them a lot on mindset and help them grow and develop, and we recruit the team that is aligned with our values, so there's not that clash there, if that makes sense. So there is a lot of stuff in there. I share my financial model. We talk about numbers. I share that. Obviously there's variables in there. It's not going to be the exact same for every single salon business, but I share a kind of outline of mine. There's actually a free template that you can have with that. I sort of show my pie of how I, what percent goes where, etc. You get that. You also get an opportunity, for those of you that want to go a bit deeper into all the stuff, you get an opportunity to book a free breakthrough call. So a free breakthrough call with us, with the team, is like looking at where you are now, where you want to be, and what are the parts that are missing. Okay, so you can book that as well. They are limited, so obviously the book has been kind of flying out the door at the moment, so it will be the first that get it that book. There's like a QR code in there, so the first that come along and book it will be the first to get in and be able to book the free call. So just bear that in mind. Jump the queue, get it as quick as you can and jump the queue. So yeah, it's got, and the success stories in there are fabulous. It's real salon owners telling their struggles, of all the fears. We talk about common fears in there as well. Like the fear of pricing, why so many people get it wrong, and the blocks around pricing. We talk about that, sort of common blocks. We talk about money, blocks around money. All that kind of stuff as well. So yeah, there is a lot of stuff in this book. I've tried to put as much in as I possibly could, but really, those are the 4 foundational sections of the book, and then each is broken into chapters, if you like. We talk about how to write your marketing, a bit about that. In the marketing section, we talk about, how to write your marketing to kind of reel the customers in, the hooks to get them in. Talk about my marketing Bible of rules, of things that you can use, when you are writing your marketing to make sure it works. So a lot of people might know how to run Facebook ads, but they don't actually know what to write to kind of get, the customers attracted, etc. So I cover as much as I possibly can in the book to give you a great foundational knowledge in that book. And no matter, I've tried to think of, it doesn't matter what level you're at, whether it's you already have a successful business, but you want some key tips to leverage it more, or you want to get out of the business a bit more, or you want to add value to the business, or it's, automation, certain things more about automation, direct mail, so much stuff in there. So if you haven't got the book yet, the link should be in this post, around this post, to go and get it. Now, why should you buy it today? So at the time of recording this, it is Monday, 21st. Yeah, Monday, 21st of September. This is the last day that the book is only $4.99 on Amazon. RRP, like the main price that will eventually be, is $14.99. But for today, you get it for just $4.99. And for those who get it in this first launch period at $4.99, they also get access to, I'm about to launch a new event called the Salon Sovereignty Summit. It's a new event and you get to attend it for free. It's online, you get to attend it for free, and it's all about money, making more money in the salon industry, whether it's pricing for profits, order bumps, upsells, making your website work for you, like a money-making website that you should be making money on your website, making sales, etc. Money blocks, back to mindset and money blocks and how to kind of unlock them, multiple streams of income in the salon industry. So you get that for free as well. And how do you get hold of that? Well, basically, once you buy the book, just stay connected. You're in the groups anyway, so stay connected and you'll hear about that. And when the tickets are on sale, you'll have a code that you can access it for free because you've purchased the book. So yeah, thank you so much for helping me, make my dreams come true. It's like I'm helping you and I'm getting rewarded at the same time to help my dreams come true as well, because like I say, #1 in the first 24 hours, #1 fastest ranking book on Amazon, which is amazing for such a niche book as a salon business book. #2 on the bestseller list. The one that is #1, unfortunately, timing not the best. The book that is number one is like it's been on This Morning, TV. It's a Sunday Times bestseller. The person who wrote it, who's actually called Caroline as well, actually, has 115 million blog visitors or blog followers, whatever it is, you know, so millions of followers, like a influencer. And if that book wasn't in there, we would have been number one straight away because it's just gone so crazy. So I don't know. I still dream big. And you know, I will still keep chipping away at it and keep working at it, and hopefully sneak it in there and knock this book off. You know, that is what I do. Dream big. Why not? Hey, look, if someone else can do it, why can't we? So yeah, I'm going to keep dreaming big and keep chipping away at it. And I hope you get the book and please enjoy it. Once you do get the book as well, I am going to be giving away a super duper prize. I'm going to announce it soon. For those of you that get it, for, you know, hashtagging you've got it and all that kind of stuff, I'm going to be giving away a pretty cool prize that I think you'll like. So there's some cool stuff going on around the book and the event as well. And yeah, so thank you so much for your support, guys. And thank you. I'm seeing a few comments here, but I'm not sure who it's from, because when you're streaming live here on StreamYard, unless you've given StreamYard your permission, I can't see who you are. So it looks something like this, for example. So I can't see the person's name. So it will say, well done, Caroline. $4.99 is peanuts. Yes, it is peanuts. It's like a coffee or something like that, you know. So yeah, I can't see who it is, but thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your comments. Someone else saying I'm buying straight away. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support, and I hope you love the book. And yeah, take care. And thanks so much for everyone who has bought it. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.